Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this triangle fold card with the Hand-Penned Petals suite. So this fun triangle fold card is made with the Hand-Penned Petals suite, which is on page 104 of the new annual catalog that starts today. And the star of the suite is the Hand-Penned Petals bundle. Has these lovely flowers and these watercolor-like stamps that you can use to color in the flowers, and these dies that cut out the flowers, and extra flower dies, and detailed flower dies, and this lovely scalloped edgelet. There's also these genial gems, really pretty, add some bling to your cards, and this hand-penned designer series paper. I love the watercolored look of this paper. It's so pretty. All these really pretty designs. So for this card, I started off with a piece of 8.5 by 8.5 Highland Heather cardstock, and I am going to cut it diagonally so it just barely fits in here, but I'm going to line up my points on the track here and down at the bottom. Can't really see the bottom. Scoot it up a little bit. And I'm just going to cut right down to the bottom. And before I put my paper trimmer away, I'm also going to cut this piece of Highland Heather. This is 4 by 4 inches. Okay, this will go on the card. I can put that away. And now I'm going to fold this. So I'm going to fold the point to that point right there, and then just score this with my bone folder. And then the other side. Make a nice point right there. And then while I'm at it, I'm gonna do the other one. See which one makes a nicer fold. Oh, this one makes a nicer fold. Seems like it. Maybe not. This side is not cooperating. Okay. Maybe the other one's better. But this is going to be covered up, so I think this one is better. So now I'm going to add these to the card, and I'm going to use my glue mat because I want to get the adhesive all the way down to the edge of the point, and so I don't want any adhesive on my nice mat here. So I'm going to go all the way down to the point. And then I can adhere that to my card. And then the same thing with this piece right here. I'm going to go all the way down to the edge. All the way down to the point. And then I have a piece of 4 by 4 basic white that I can put inside the card. I'm just going to open that up And I can put that inside the card. And now I want to create a square scallop to put on top of my card. And I'm gonna do a little trick to get this scallop. I'm gonna use the scallop contour dies that are part of the color and contour bundle in the new catalog. And I'm gonna use this one right here. It's a little bit bent because I've been using it quite a bit. And I've got a little piece of washi tape to mark where the square portion is. I can use my die cutting machine here. And I'm going to place my paper down, and I'm going to put this at the top here, and then I'm going to use some washi tape to hold it down where I want it to stay. And then I'm only going to put my cutting mat part way onto the die so that it doesn't cut all the way to the top. So that way I can run it through again and cut the top the second time I run it through. So this time I'm only going to cut the bottom of the square. So there's the bottom piece. And then I'm going to reposition my die and cut the top by running it through a second time. And I'm going to reposition my washi tape as well. And I've counted the scallops. I want 9, so I'm gonna count them on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7 here. So I want 2 more scallops. So I'm gonna place this. So I've got 2 more scallops on here. So I'm gonna line these up with the sides and make sure that everything's lined up. And I want everything to be really lined up as perfectly as possible, because there's dots that I want to be lined up as well. And then I want them to be right on target. Looks like I need to scoot this over a little bit, so I'm gonna just double check here and make sure I scoot this over a little bit. And then I'll make sure that this is correct over here. Okay. And now when I run it through, I'm only gonna put the top cutting plate on this half of the die. So this half right here. And so that it's only gonna cut the top part of my square. And so I get my square and not a rectangle. So now when I remove the die, you can see from the outline of the cut that I have a square. Carefully remove the washi tape so it doesn't tear anything. Don't want to tear my perfect square. Now from a rectangle I have, look at how beautifully that lines up. The scallops line up, the dots line up, and I've got my square from a rectangle. And it looks perfect. So you can do that with any of these scalloped rectangles. Be really cute to do it with this one. So what you do is you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So same thing. So then you would count up 9 this way, and that would be your square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's the same one on this one, and then I wonder if it's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they all have 9 scallops on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one only has 8. And this one has 4, so you'd only do up 4. So you just count how many scallops are along the bottom, and that's how many you go up on the side. Okay, so we've got our square. So now I'm just going to place this up so I don't attach this to the top. I only want to attach it to the bottom. And I'm going to use some dimensionals. And I'm just going to take a look at it here. So I'm just going to put some down in this corner here. and place them about right there. Now I'm going to color in the flowers with some stamps. I'm going to use Mint Macaron, Daffodil Delight, and I'll start with Highland Heather for the large flowers. So I'll start with the largest flower, and then I'll do the second largest flower. I think it goes this way. And then the next largest. It's always hard to tell which way it goes. It's kind of artistic, not really exact. And that's the Highland Heather. Now I'll do the Daffodil Delight. And that is a combination of two flowers together. And then we'll do the leaves in Mossy Meadow. So here's the small leaf, and then I'm looking for the large leaf. Here it is. Oh, gotta open up the ink pad. So I've got two large down here, and then a whole bunch of small ones. And look how this comes to life with all the beautiful colors. Whoa, got my fingers in the ink. Fairly typical. And then dimensionals. Put some on the leaves. And then when I'm ready to send the card, I will put a sentiment on there inside, probably a thank you card. And there is our triangle fold card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle of supplies for these 6 cards. Got this fun fold card here, and this corner flip card. So use the May Hostess code and then email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, the Hand-Penned Floral card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my other videos, particularly my hand-penned floral videos, so that you can see the whole set of cards. I will catch you guys next time. Bye.